Apple realized that traditional keynotes are for consumer gadgets. When you are about to drop a piece of hardware that acts as a digital sledgehammer to the professional workstation industry, you don't talk about it. You let the raw numbers do the talking. They decentralized their launch strategy, quietly updated their enterprise pipelines, and let this monstrous architecture hit the market like a silent shockwave. They wanted professionals to wake up, look at the specifications, and realize that the high-end external monitors and separate computer towers they bought just months ago had been rendered completely obsolete overnight. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. And the absolute crown jewel of this silent execution is the unexpected, early arrival of the legendary Apple iMac Pro. This is the hardware that the supply chain insisted was years away. Tech insiders were told that the manufacturing yields for high-density professional desktop panels were too low, that custom silicon thermal constraints had stalled development, and that the standalone Mac Studio and Mac Pro would have to hold the line for the foreseeable future. It was all a brilliant smokescreen. Apple wasn't delaying production. They were perfecting a machine architecture that introduces a level of computational fidelity that defies standard industry metrics. The iMac Pro isn't just an upgrade. It is a total reinvention of what an integrated professional workstation can be. For the first time on an all-in-one desktop computer, Apple has successfully commercialized a state-of-the-art, custom-engineered, ultra-dense micro-LED matrix panel spanning a massive 32 inches. To put that in perspective, almost every other display manufacturer on Earth is still relying on traditional LED backlighting or struggling with the inherent burn-in and brightness limitations of standard panels on stationary desktops. Apple bypassed those limitations entirely. By packing millions of microscopic, self-illuminating light sources directly behind the massive glass canvas, they have created a display that operates on a completely different level of performance, delivering uniform, breathtaking clarity across every single millimeter of screen real estate. The magic of the iMac Pro begins with its resolution and spatial layout. Apple refused to settle for standard 4K or even entry-level 5K formats. They engineered a native ultra-crisp 6K panel that maximizes screen estate while maintaining a mathematically perfect pixel density that ensures text looks like ink on paper and imagery feels completely lifelike. But they didn't stop at resolution. The real breakthrough that is forcing competitors to completely rewrite their product roadmaps is the implementation of a true, ultra-smooth, high refresh rate promotion system that scales dynamically up to 120 Hz on a giant Pro display. 4 years, professional all-in-one computers faced a tragic compromise. You could either choose a high-resolution, color-accurate screen locked at a sluggish 60 Hz, or a fast-refresh gaming display with terrible color accuracy and text clarity. Apple has permanently destroyed that compromise. Moving a window, scrubbing an intense video timeline, or coding thousands of lines of text feels fluid, instantaneous, and entirely seamless. The latency is practically gone, creating a deeply connected user experience where the barrier between your physical hand on the trackpad and the digital pixels on the screen completely evaporates. But a premium workstation is absolutely nothing without raw computing power, and this is where Apple has weaponized its engineering dominance to attack the high-end corporate studio market. The iMac Pro is powered by the terrifying, unannounced arrival of the extreme-tier custom silicon architecture. This chip isn't just an upgrade, it is a total reinvention of what custom silicon can